Hello, welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at November 15th, 2024's Zone Sudoku by Clover. Clover's one of our sellers here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. Hello, it's my pleasure to solve this one for you today. We are Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, person at home. You can find the link to today's puzzle along with hat times. Two hats for a very fast time, one hat for a pretty fast time. Everyone gets Dinosaur because we love you all equally. Um, yeah, sorry this one's a little late by my time, but it's hot and sweaty in Australia, and I didn't want to get out of bed to record puzzle yesterday. So, you're getting it now. This is a zone Sudoku. So, normal Sudoku rules apply, so each box, each row, and each column must contain the digits 1 to 9 once each. Now, clues tell you some of the digits that must appear in this cage. So, no matter how hard you try, you're not going to get a 1113 total in a killer Sudoku. So, these are digits that must appear in this cage. And at least as many times as they appear in the clue. So here, 1113 means I need to place 3 ones in that cage. 455 means I need to place 1 4 and 2 5s. That's it. That's all you need to know to solve today's puzzle. And now I'm going to get started. So, this puzzle is extremely me. Clover has very much done me, but in a really satisfying way. So I need to place in this cage 3 ones. Now, because this cage runs through 3 boxes and normal Sudoku rules still apply, it means I need to place a 1 in this cage in every box. So there's only one spot to put a 1 in this cage here. I can't put it in that one, so I must put it in this one. Now that I can't put it in that one, I gotta put it here. Down here, let's go right to left, because I'm gonna have to do it with 2s as well. 2 can go there, there, there. 3 has to go like this, down here. Wait, 3, 3. And 4s have to go like that. Same logic every time. Now, I know that I have to place a... actually, no, I'll come back to the 3. Rather than pencil marks and stuff, let's just come back to the 3 later. Now, I need to place 2 8s in this cage, and this cage passes through 2 boxes, so that must be an 8 because that's the only space I can put it there. Now I can't put an 8 in those cells, so 8 must go like this. And we can do the same logic once again in... Oi, no, that's not right. We got a little too ahead of myself there. Now, 4, I have to place 4 in one of those 2 cells because I still need to place 4 in this cage. Now, I also need to place 4 in one of those 2 cells. Now, those 2 mean that 4 can't go there because I've got to place a 4 in that cage. But that 4 rules it out of going anywhere else but there. You could look at that logic in a similar but different way. If I placed a 1 here, there'd be nowhere to place a 1 in that cage. So, it means 1 has to go there, and 1 here. And just speeding that a little bit up now, 2, 2, and then sounding like a train. 3 and 3. So, that is all of those center cages done. Now, let's have a look at... why not some Sudoku? Let's do some Sudoku. Center box is a naked single, so that's 9. 1 has to go there, 2 there, 3 there, and 4 there. 2 has to go in one of those cells. 4 has to go in one of these cells. Can I do slightly better along here? 6, 7, 9, not quite. 5, 8, 9, also not quite. But where does 6 go? That's a good question. 6 has to go there. And then this is 5 and 9 along here. Which means where does 8 go? Up here. 8 goes there. This is now 4 and 7. This is 2 and 5. 7 and 9. Can I do the same along here? Sure can. 7 goes there. A 6, 9 there. Now 5 has to go down here. but 5 can no longer go in that cell, so 5 goes there. Uh, because that cage has to have a 5 in it, and this one has to have a 7 in it, which undoes a little bit more. Now, I know that this cage needs to have a 6-9 pair in it, and this 5 over here has to have a 5 and a 9. So that's going to unwind that. And now, that's all of our regular Sudoku done. Let's do some variant stuff. Well, no, that's not how words work. Uh, I've done all the regular variant logic. Now let's just do regular Sudoku. That's still not how words work, but it was a good try. Uh, where do 9 and 6 go in column 8? They must go there, so that's 9, that's 6, which unwinds this pair for us. They can't go in those 3 cells because we have a pair there, which means 2 and 4 must go here. Those 2's tell us which way around they go, unwinding our 4 and our 7 for us. This is an 8, 1, 3, 7, 6, 7, 2, 8, and 4, 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. 1, 3, and 8 left to place in those cells. Go like that. So that's 1, that's 8. 5, 7, 8. And then 5 and 9. That's been Zone Sudoku by Clover. My name's still Bill Murphy. Wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Cheers.